Hello everybody, my name is Go. For today we're going to be talking about the truth of expired food. Did you ever just bought like a can of milk and you put it there so that next time you could drink? So you see that the date on the milk can says like for example 31 January or something like that. And so this as soon as you pick up the can so that you could use it for your cereal, you smell. It is just so disgusting. Even when it's just 28 January. So what's the very scary thing about this? Or for another example, there's a sandwich that you've bought and it says that you could eat it until the end of today. But tomorrow you see that it's still edible. Why? Why does sometimes the date on our food lies to us too much? What the truth of the following words Best Buy and the date on it doesn't mean truly everything. There are a lot of kind of fruits that is still edible but got wasted just because the Best Buy. So how can we actually identify these? Best Buy is just like a word to the word that means best to use by. That means that in that time the food will still have its ultimate freshness, yumminess, and it makes customers want to come back for more. And that is the trick of a lot of stores where they sell food, especially packagable food. Usually they will put the date to be some day before the food is actually expired so that it will indicate the optimum freshness for everybody. But if on the food or like on the package and you see a word that is used by then that means that after that day the food is expired and it's not edible. So that is the solution for the date on food, and a lot of people said to change those two words to become best by, best used by, and used by. Also, some other upcoming solutions for this problem could be stop using packaging foods. If stores have a chance, then probably they should remove the package away from their own products. Because since the very last decades, people have always predict food, whether or not it's edible, through their senses, such as touch, sight, and smell, or even taste. So, if you want to be most safe to be safest when you're eating your food, the very best way to predict whether or not is a fruit expired is through your sense. Imagine picking up an apple. If you see that it has a slimy texture, a stinky odor, and it just look and its color is not just like the usual, then throw it away because there are some situations where you're better safe than sorry. But if you see, you could easily predict a food whether or not it's edible through your sense, right? So there's no need to actually waste food just because the date says so. So that is all today's talk. Thank you for listening and goodbye. See you next time.